king mackerel there. Some shark. Jackfish over there. I'm not too sure what some of them are. We're in the fish market part of the Marabella market right now. What kind of fish is this one? What's this called?
Cavalli.
That's a cavalli. That's a big jackfish. That's a big mahi. Dolphin, right?
Yeah.
Or what is it called? Dolphin. And this is a sea conch, right?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Good on you.
Next shrimp.
Yeah, they're nice and big. They're white. I don't know why they're herrings.
Fish and shrimps.
What is this called?
Fish. You always see it, man.
Look at the size of
Have a
it.
shot at it.
Yeah, that's massive, man.
Original fish.
Little do they know they're gonna end up in a pot being cooked pretty soon, either curry crab or in the fresh callaloo. Some nice yard bean here, some small cabbages and all that. Tomato.
Five up here.
One again, one.
Gariboni, frumento, come passa, vai là. Take it over.
There's just an abundance of pumpkin. Look at the size of that beast, boy. Oh, look at the skin on this one. Sort of a rough skin. Ooh. This is neat. Wow, this is the biggest Christopher I've ever seen. How big they are. Massive.
Oranges, grapefruit, pineapple.
And you're planting and all the bananas here, yeah? These are all ripe papayas, or we call it popoy. Popo. Some nice little mango. Get your fresh eggs. Oh, look at that. Somebody got sunburned. Yeah, you're getting apples there too. Joe! I'm blown away. I'm really blown away by the size of the yard bean that they have here, boy. Yeah, look, there's even more of them here.
Yes, pumpkin.
How you doing, man?
Alright. Come on.
How much is it?
No,วันนั้นใส่มันนี่ชื่อมอสว่าเขาบอกว่า เป็นชื่อไอ้
The size of the watermelon, boy. I love the color too. What's that, sapodilla?
5 for 10.
You want to get a piece from here? So this one here we call pitatambo, and we'll boil it in salt to the water. There's a nice crunch to it. A nice little crow boy. So we got what they call a bundle of salad. We got celery, parsley, basil. Looks like mint. This one looks like Spanish thyme or big leaf thyme. Oh, shadow benny. I recommend some shadow benny, boy. Ooh, look at the tan now. What mango is these? What type of mango is this? The plush mango?
Chris.
I am. Ooh, Home City. I ain't seen this one forever, boy. How big these ones are?
Yeah. Run all right, I don't buy them 21.
My dad is buying some eggplant to take home to make some. Well, we call it
I didn't see this one.
Some nice smooth herrings here. Oh, look, corn, boy. I didn't even think corn was in season right now. I believe that would be honey.
Okay.
Mango and Portugal.
This guy. Doubles over here. Give it a wheel. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click.